Hello traders, good evening all. Risk disclaimer: all information provided on this video is for educational purpose only and is not intended to provide any financial advice. Any statement regarding profits expressed or implied does not represent a guarantee. And this video is not about any copy trade service. So Nifty opened flat, scale down and drive higher. We got a open test drive, bullish open in the initial period, and this zone was rejected initially. 11,320 was rejected initially. Once 11,320 here, once 11,320 closed comfortably, then a pullback towards 11,300 been bought for the VPOC of 11,345 and 50 zone and 11,375 zone. So that was an easy trade today. Here, once I see this rejection, once I saw this rejection here, I took a put just to play for developing value area low. For this zone, for this developing value area low of this zone. So it tested, I covered it here because it was a bullish move. I want to be majorly bearish only below this low or this 11,250 breaches. Till that it was comfortably bullish. I just want to do a mean reversion trade towards this value area low, which been tested here and took a support. Finally went for that VPOC test, this POC test, and even made a new pivot high, new high for this, crossed that last week. Bank Nifty on the other hand, it was staying silent for whole that half of the day. Later it spiked and tested this VPOC which had been left around 22,200 zone. Almost all the Bank Nifty components had contributed today except SBI. Private banks had leading the pack. I was bullish on Kotak Bank few days ago. I was expecting this trend line breach, if that happened, I thought it would fire, and today that was a classic trade. A trend line breach tested and then this started firing up. This was on my long radar from this day. Once this trend line breach happens, this was a trade. Not only Kotak, almost all the banks fired today. ICICI, HFC, Axis, you name any bank, everything had fired today. IndusInd, all fired. So that took Bank Nifty and tested this VPOC zone. For tomorrow, this was the zone where a market started falling all of a sudden from this 11,400 zone. On last Friday, it started falling from that zone. So definitely there is going to be a reaction. Either it could be a gap down or some sort of profit booking, or if it is a gap up about say like 11,430 and sustains, okay, so that could even move further, but later part of sometime we could see some profit booking. So we need to watch how we are going to open tomorrow, and also how we are reacting to these zones. So tomorrow my trade plan, if it is a gap down around say like 11,380, say like if we open around 11,380 or 375, I'm looking to buy just for a target of 11,410 and 11,430. That will be my first long idea. In case of gap down, if we break 11,355 and goes below 11,340 comfortably, on pullback I will be shorting looking for today's POC 11,315 or even 11,275. In case of gap up, I will look for some stock ideas rather index ideas, because anytime we might see some sort of profit booking. So I will be watching how and where it reacts so that I can time it. On Bank Nifty, one more POC is VPOC is left. One more single print. The selling tail had been left here around 22,300 zone. So I will be watching how price reacts here. So I will be watching how price reacts here. On the lower side, if we open around 22,050 and takes a support here, I'm looking to buy, looking for 22,200 and 22,275 as my targets. In case if 21,950 breaks, and I mind you tomorrow we have this AGR verdict, so probably Bank Nifty will trade very volatile. So one need to be very keen on their risk management when they trade. Okay. So if 21,950 breaks, on pullback I will be shorting looking for 21,800 and 21,770 zone. In case of gap up about 22,350, I will be a spectator watching the auction. I won't get participated. I will just wait for further strength or kind of profit booking to happen. On stock front, I'm watching Sun Pharma tomorrow. In case if this trend line gets broken, say like if we drive above 532 or 33, my stop loss would be below 525. I will be looking for 542 or even 550, either by Thursday or max by Friday. So that is the one trade idea I am looking for tomorrow to enter. Okay. On OI, 11,300 put is the highest open interest for this week, and 11,400 is the highest open interest on call side. So this get narrowed. So interesting expiry it is going to be. So we'll be watching how these guys defend or how these guys defend. Okay. So that's it for now. As always, respect your risk, protect your capital. That should be your number one goal. Okay. Take care everyone. Catch you all on next episode. Bye.